The liver is a vital organ that plays a crucial role in many of the body's functions. It is responsible for filtering toxins out of the blood, producing bile to help with digestion, and storing nutrients. The liver is also involved in metabolism, hormone production, and blood clotting. Watch the video till end so you don't miss any information. Liver disease is a common problem that can lead to hormonal imbalance. There are many different types of liver disease, and each one can have different effects on the body's hormone levels. Liver disease is one of the leading causes of death in the world. It is a major cause of hormonal imbalance in the body. The liver is responsible for producing hormones that regulate metabolism, growth, and reproduction. When the liver is diseased, it cannot produce these hormones properly, leading to a hormonal imbalance. Before going to further, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for future notification. Cirrhosis. There are many different types of liver disease, all of which can cause hormonal imbalance. The most common type of liver disease is cirrhosis, which is caused by damage to the liver cells. This damage can be caused by alcohol abuse, viral infections, or other factors. Cirrhosis leads to a buildup of scar tissue in the liver, which interferes with its ability to function properly. Hepatitis. Another common type of liver disease is hepatitis. Hepatitis is an inflammation of the liver that can be caused by viral infections, alcohol abuse, or other factors. Hepatitis can lead to liver damage and scarring, which can interfere with the liver's ability to function properly. Genetic disorders. Liver disease can also be caused by genetic disorders, such as hemochromatosis. Hemochromatosis is a disorder that causes the body to absorb too much iron. This excess iron can build up in the liver and damage it. The effects of liver damage on hormone production. Liver disease can have a serious impact on the body's hormone levels. When the liver is not able to produce hormones properly, it can lead to a hormonal imbalance. This can cause a variety of symptoms, including weight gain, fatigue, mood swings, and infertility. Liver disease is a serious condition that can have a major impact on your health. If you think you may have liver disease, it is important to see a doctor so that you can get the treatment you need. The liver is responsible for producing many of the hormones that regulate the body, including testosterone, estrogen, and progesterone. When the liver is damaged, it can no longer produce these hormones effectively, leading to a hormonal imbalance. This can cause a variety of problems, such as infertility. Hormonal imbalances can cause problems with ovulation and sperm production, making it difficult to conceive. Mood swings. Changes in hormone levels can cause mood swings, irritability, and anxiety. Weight gain. Hormonal imbalances can lead to weight gain, as well as problems with metabolism and energy levels. Fatigue. Hormonal imbalances can cause fatigue, as well as problems with sleep and concentration. Liver damage can have a significant impact on hormone production, leading to a variety of health problems. If you are experiencing any of the above symptoms, it is important to see a doctor to rule out liver damage as a possible cause. Tell us in comments if you want a video on any health topic. For more informative videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for future notifications.